they want to come out of, they want to speak with you and try to establish at least a friendship or some kind of communication. With the Page of Wands in the reverse, they know they were messing around or not taking the relationships seriously. Um, they feel like you probably don't want to speak with them. Hmm. They would love a reconciliation, but they feel like you're too stubborn or you wouldn't want to get back with them. I'm also picking up that they feel like you might be with someone else already. Hmm. Yeah, confirmation with the Ace of Swords. They feel remorse for something they did. I don't know what this is about, but they know that they didn't treat you with care. They didn't treat you how you deserved. So, with the High Priestess, I feel like you followed your intuition as far as this relationship, and I think they know that, and I think that they know that if they're going to come back that they can't play games, that they have to really get it together and um come in very authentically and very matter of fact, and just in a fashion that resonates with you and that you don't pick up any BS from, is what I'm getting. And hmm, I don't know, they feel like it's a 50-50 chance, so they're still kind of thinking about how to even approach you because they feel like it's a 50-50, like you might want to and you might not. And they don't really like being vulnerable or showing their emotions like that. So they know that they have to open up completely, and that scares them. And they don't want to be rejected. So, Page of Cups in the reverse, and the Ace of Cups upright. Okay, so